Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, tap on screen lock. Now you can see three password type. To set the pattern screen lock, select the option pattern. So to create the pattern, we need to connect at least 4 dots. Okay. So here I am going to connect draw the pattern. Again confirm the pattern. So if you want to set the fingerprint unlock, then you can enable from here, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. Draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So in this pattern you can see the track of the pattern, you can see, right? So if you want a more secure, that means if you want to hide the track of the pattern, you can disable this one, show track, disable this one. Then again let me show you, draw the pattern, you can see the track is disabled. You can see. Let me show you. The track is disabled. So simply in this way you can enable the pattern screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.